Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. One more time, I have brought temples for you. Mandir, home temples, some people call it Devghar, altar. And the designs you are looking at, this is the kind of work that Arson is doing. The hand carving work and the work that you see in the entire unit requires master artisans, really experienced people who know what they are doing, because carving is not very easy work. It requires skill, it requires a mastery in the field of setting wood, cutting wood, planning to make something like this, something beautiful like this. Home temples require a careful consideration when you are making it. It involves several points, including the size that you require, the height, the inside height, the sitting height, the platform height, in fact, the platform height from the ground, then the top part, Gopuram and the Kalash design, the animal figures that you have in the units, and some other Vastu points that together completes a temple. Here I am showing you two units. The unit on my left, this one is 6 feet. 6 feet left to right. Height is 7.5 feet. This is in walnut matte finish. This is not gloss. And you can see the design. This is 2.5 feet from front to back. And it has got a different design on front. Some step shaped design. So 2.5 feet completely from this point to the back. And then the carving work, the amazing carving work that we do on wood, converting the simple plain planks to something beautiful like this. The gold work that you see in this unit, in fact in both the units, is gold leafing. This is not regular paint. This is gold leafing as required by the client. This unit is going to Hungary. The client is from Sweden, I think, and he has a home in Hungary, and he is getting this unit in Hungary. Everything, the size, design, color pattern, the gold leafing thing, the client decided and he wanted something like this. And this unit was complete and sitting in our showroom. It was standing right here, and other client walked in. They liked the design and they wanted the same design to be made in smaller size. This one is 5 feet, left to right 5 feet, front to back again 2.5 feet, but this doesn't have the out protruding design in the center. So complete is 2.5 feet from here to here. It is completely 2.5 feet, and the height is 6.5 feet, including the Kalash design. Now here, if you see the modifications, what we do for the clients. In this one, on the right one, we don't have any tray or a diya tray. In this one, the client wanted bhog tray, a full size tray. There is a tradition in some houses to offer bhog, chappan bhog, to our deities at some events, and for that they require a bigger tray, something like this. So we created it. If you don't require a bhog tray and you just need a regular diya tray in the middle, that can be done. Then we have ample storage space, big drawers in the middle, and then side cabinets for the storage. A nice big garbhagriha, and then the overall design and size as given by the client. Here I like to talk about the puja traditions. See, temple is something that is closely related to how we pray. Some people sit on the ground. Of course, you need something on the ground while sitting. Don't directly sit on the floor, because as per tradition, when you are praying, you should not be in direct contact with the ground. This we have explained earlier. I had Pandit Mudit Jhaji along with me. He explained it very well why we should not have the direct contact with the ground. So you can sit on the ground and pray, or you can stand and pray. Now here I am standing, and you can see how low the height is where the deities would be placed. And when I am standing like this, here you can see the deities would be quite low from my eyesight. And this is not a right position. So when I'm sitting, I'll show you. I'm sitting now, and you can see it's a good height. So for these units, this one is around 16 inches from the ground, that the other one is around 18 to 19 inches high from the ground, and both these heights are good enough when I'm sitting and praying. But if I am standing, then this is quite low. So you need a taller unit, the platform area to be taller when you are standing and praying. This is one part of the tradition. The other thing, bhog tray, I mentioned already. You want a small diya tray or a bhog tray, that can be done. Earlier we made a unit where the entire part slides out and it becomes a very big unit, that we have done already. And if you see our catalog on the website or check our models on YouTube, you will find every model customized to the client's requirement. Further, talking about the traditions, the puja traditions, the top part, the gopuram part, a lot of people don't prefer kalash in their homes, the top part, because their spiritual gurus or guides have told something like this, or whatever their tradition may be. But here we have the top part because the client needed one. The other thing is the open door design. This design is open from three sides. We just have a back on this unit. A lot of people prefer door units, and here we don't require one. So it's an open unit. So if you require door one, you can check whether models. We have several other models that we have already made. Further to that, the animal figures, another important aspect. There are a lot of people, lot of our clients who mentioned this, that they don't want a particular animal figure in their temple. In this we have a lot of peacocks and swan on the pedestal. One client of ours said they don't prefer the peacocks because their guru have told them. So if you don't want something like this or you want something else, you can let us know. We can make that for you. A lot of people prefer elephants underneath the pillar, and elephant could be the trunk up or trunk down. That again something related to your traditions or your beliefs. Further to that, the colors. A lot of people prefer light, like the teak wood finish. We have done it in silver, we have done it in gold, antique gold, multi-shaded. We have done it in champagne color. We have done earlier white units, white with gold highlighting, and also rose gold. So colors you can choose and we'll make the one that you require. Temple is a place, a home temple or a wood temple. Wood temple because we make units in wood. We don't make stone or plastic or PVC or metal. In fact, wood and marble or stone are the two things that are preferred for a temple. Any product like plastic should be avoided. Plastic is in fact out of fossils and completely should be avoided. Now, the size, the design, the color, the animal figures, all these things can be chosen as you require. This one is going to Hungary, this one is going in UP to Lucknow, and we can deliver anywhere in India or out of India, wherever you are. We have already delivered across the globe, and you can have a look on the testimonial section on our website. You will find hundreds of designs that are already delivered to different parts of the world. If you like something like this, you want something such beautiful for your deities, you can contact us and we'll be happy to make a design as per your requirement, puja tradition, vastu, your spiritual guides, however you want it. All handcrafting work done by local artisans, the art of our city we are promoting across the globe, and the quality of our son. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.